We are going to blow the biggest, best bubbles.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the backyard. Boppleberry and Fern are here, and they have a very bubbly plan for today. That's right. It's a beautiful day for bubbles and a bubble story. Boppleberry dips his wand into the big blue bucket and gets ready to blow. A big blue bubble went bounce, 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 past a bumbling bee on a big green branch. The bee saw the bubble, so shiny and grand. It followed the bubble all over the land. Wow, look at him go! What else begins with that boo sound? Like bubble and bee. A bubble bounced by Boppleberry, brave and bright, who was eating a banana with all of his might. He grabbed his blue boots, shiny and new, and began to bounce with a bowing or two. They bounced by a bear, big, brown, and bold, balancing a book, a story to be told. The bubble then burst with a gentle pop, and beautiful bluebells began to drop. That was a fun story. So many things that begin with the letter B. What a brilliant, bubbly, bouncing adventure.
What are we going to do now, Boppleberry?